Have an adult help you with this.
It's music time, little baby bum.
First, let's make a jingly tambourine.
A tambourine? Oh, that does seem a good idea.
Hooray!
You'll need these supplies. Let's mark where the holes are going to go. Let's punch some holes. Next, let's paint. Once the paint is dry, we can keep decorating. Now, let's add the jingle bells. Time to decorate.
Yay! If you think it looks cool, wait until you hear it.
It's so jingly.
A musical instrument that sounds like rain.
That's bananas!
Now it's time to make a rain stick out of things from around the house. First, we'll create a spiral out of aluminum foil. This will slow the rice down on the inside to create the perfect sound. Now, we'll attach the bottle cap to the bottom of the paper towel roll. Next, let's fill the paper towel roll with something that makes noise. Let's use rice. Now we'll close up the bottom with another cap. Time to decorate our rain stick.
To play a rain stick, all you have to do is turn it. Now you try.
It sounds just like rain. It was so fun to make instruments just like the ones in Little Baby Bum Music Time. See you next time.